Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will show you how to make these fireworks in Blender. So, let's get started. First of all, delete everything. Now go to Mesh and add an ISO sphere. Scale it down. Press Shift D and duplicate it. Go to your timeline and press I, and select location. Put the timeline on 40 and then press G, and move the sphere on Z location. Again, press I, and add a location keyframe. Put the interpolation mode on linear. If you play you can see you make an animation. Go to particles and add a new one. Put the number on 600. Now change the end to 40. Put the lifetime on 8 and lifetime randomness on 1. Select your duplicate sphere and rename it to sample. Select your base sphere, then go to particles and then on render. Put the render as on object. And select the sample. Now uncheck the show emitter on render and viewport display. You can scale it up a little. Okay. Cool. Now add a new particle. Put the number on 5000. Put the frame start on 40 and end on 80. Change the lifetime randomness to 1 and lifetime on something like 150. Put the normal velocity on 4. Render as on object and then select the sample. Go to field weights and put the gravity on something like 0.1. Now select the sample and go to the material. Go to Shading tab and delete the principled. Just add an emission and an object info. Now connect them like this. You can change the emission strength on 30. Go to Render View. Check the motion blur. You can also change the scale of your sphere to make a bigger explosion. Unhide your sample. You can put the world color on environment texture and add a HDRI. You can download any HDRI on polyhaven.com. For the better result, put the engine on cycles and device on GPU. Okay. Let's play. You can also add some other sphere and make this nice fireworks view. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.